Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we're making baked apples with crumble and butterscotch sauce. So now I'm going to start making the crumble. I have here 30 grams of rolled oats, 35 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flaked almonds, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And finally, I've got 50 grams of chopped up butter. So now I'm going to get my hands dirty and mix this together. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to prepare the apples. I've already taken the center out of the apples. Now I'm going to run a knife around the apple so it bakes evenly in the oven. Okay, so now I'm just going to stuff these apples. Okay, these are ready to go in the oven for 45 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So the apples are almost cooked. I'm going to start on the butterscotch sauce. I have here 20 grams of butter, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1/3 cup of cream. I'm just going to cook this until the sugar is all dissolved and the sauce thickens. The sauce is now ready and the apples are done, so I'm going to start preparing it. Hey everyone, we hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any meal ideas or recipes, please leave a comment below and we'll see you next time. Bye!
It's going to come out.
I'm sorry. I forgot there was a hole. Jeez, my laugh sounds horrible. Sounds like a witch. 1/3 cup of brown rice, 1/3 cup of brown sugar,